In this video, I will show you how to quickly bypass Microsoft account creation when setting up a brand new Windows computer. Once you boot on your computer, confirm your region, choose your keyboard, skip secondary keyboard. Once you get here, don't connect to a network. Press Fn, Shift, F10. This will open command prompt. Then tap this command. Start ms-cxh:local only. Hit enter. It will take you to this window where you can create a local account for your device. For now, I'll call it test. If you don't want to use password on your computer, click next. I will just click next. Your PC will restart and finish setting up Windows. Go to the privacy settings. I will accept everything. That's how you set up a brand new Windows computer without creating a Microsoft account. If this helped, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.